This is Appleford siding to Milford West sidings. This is a Crewe Gresty Bridge DRS to Towton North Yard. Currently slow in for Stenson Junction where it's still got a red. (66.421). He's still got a red. This is a Tunstead to Wellingborough service, having just crossed about 2 miles up the road. The 70 mile an hour both roads onto the area wash, Chesterfield South Junction. Speed limit on the down and up area wash is 90 miles an hour both roads here.
The RBRTC to York Parcels.
Humber Oil Refinery to Kingsbury Oil Sidings. This is a Chester to the RBRTC network rail. There's been a variety of stuff through here today. Some on it will be on Erywash Valley and beyond, and some on Rufford Ford G. (37.254). And has now got a green and accelerates toward Derby. That is about 45 minutes early. Kingsbury Oil sidings to Humber Refinery. Crossing from the down Midland Main Line stroke cross country line onto the down Erywash line. Take the avoiding road around Sheffield. This is a Kingsbury Oil sidings to Lindsay Oil Refinery, Colas. This is a cross-country HST on a Plymouth to Glasgow service. Currently on time. (366) is on the way back to Towton. Southampton Western Docks to East Midlands Gateway. Slow in for a red.